master well, master your door well. Hello guys, this is Alisa. Welcome to our Master Well Door channel. Today I'd like to introduce to you the material of our classic steel garage door panel. The garage door panel is constructed with double galvanized steel with pure forming, and we call it sandwich construction. Today I will show you many details of our garage door panels in this video. This is a sample of our garage door panel, and these are the garage door panels with windows that we have produced. You can clearly see the high quality of them from this video. Master your door well is not just the talk. That's all for today. Thank you for your watching. If you get interested, just follow us. We will continue to update.